All right, so in this next part, we're going to do a field calibration of the drone. We've already done the static test, looking at the nozzles and how they differ from each other or how similar they are, how our total system flow rate is what we want. Now we're going to go to the field. We're going to program in a 3 gallon per acre application rate. We're going to add 4 gallons into the tank, let it fly a 1 acre plot, and then we're going to come back and see how much is left in the tank. If we pull out 1 gallon, then we know we're dead on. If we put out a little bit more, we know the drone is not putting out as much as we want it to. And if we empty a little bit less than a gallon, we know it's putting out too much. And then we can correct based on what we find from that. Let's go take a look and see how that looks. So what they're doing here is they're adding in the 4 gallons of water. For this test, we're just using water, but they're going to put in exactly 4 gallons. They've emptied the tank, and so we know exactly what's going into there. We're going to have 2 gallons on the left tank, 2 gallons on the right tank, and then we're going to take it to the field. We've plotted out a 1 acre polygon that we're going to spray at 3 gallons per acre. So ideally, when we get back with the drone, we'll have exactly 1 gallon left.
We are clear for takeoff.
So what we did on this is initially we had put in 4 gallons of material into the tank to fly a 1 acre plot at 3 gallons per acre, but we came back with 2 gallons. So we only applied 2 gallons in that acre. So then we recalibrated the flow meter with both 2 gallons. That didn't work, so we recalibrated with a higher volume with 6 gallons in there. That didn't work. We still came back with too much material. So what we had to do as a workaround is we set in the software, we requested a 4 gallon per acre application rate, even though we only needed 3, with the hopes that it would actually apply 3 with that setting. So this is the test to see how much we actually came back with from that application. And it looks like it's really close. James, what do we have? Yeah, so what this means is we recovered half a gallon out of each of the tanks. What that means is we went out with 4 gallons, applying 3 gallons per acre over an acre plot, and we came back with 1 gallon left over. So it's perfect. That's exactly what we needed. We just had to do a little workaround to get that to happen. So this is why it's really important to test your aircraft, to do the flow meter calibrations, do the flow calibrations, make sure it's actually giving you what you need.
Well, thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative as part of our spray drone training video series. My name is Madison Dixon, and I'm the Associate Director of the Mississippi State University Agricultural Autonomy Institute, and we'd like to take this opportunity to thank our many sponsors who made this video series possible. For more information, please visit arpa.org, rpaaa.org, or the Ag Autonomy Institute website at aai.msstate.edu. Thank you.